Some of us will say, darling hair, this and that. I mean, what do you expect from a 5k hair? This hair is just 5k and it's dishing out all. Guys, you're welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to be vlogging today. I want to use this opportunity to say thank you so much to my new subscribers. I'm grateful for the little. I know if you're grateful for the little. So as the caption depicts, I'm going to be doing a review on darlinn hair. If you've been contemplating getting a darlinn hair, this video is for you. I've always seen darlinn hair like, okay, something I don't think I really like to use. Darlinn hair has been big lately, no joke. On Instagram, they started this challenge stuff where they are doing, girls will carry this darlinn box. They'll be like, don't come mighty, don't come mighty. No. I watched it. So I was thinking of getting the darlinn hair and I wasn't so sure. I deliberately watched that video because I just wanted to see if I would like to get a darlinn hair.
There's some people I saw, I was like, no, I'm not going to get darlinn hair. It was this girl, oh my god, I loved her. That was what just informed my decision on getting a darlinn hair. So
let's see, probably you might or you might not want to get a darlinn hair. This is what I was able to get, and also this oil, so you sprinkle it on it to make it nice. You know, sometimes it's not even really good to use cream on your weave on. It's better use this spray or that regular sunshine. Not everybody knows this. I just learned this recently. So to my surprise, this hair got delivered in less than 4 days. I mean, it came when I didn't expect it. You know when someone just calls you, hello, this is from darlinn hair. No, she just said hello and blah blah blah. I ordered a lot of things at that point and I was like, okay, what package is this? They said it's darlinn. I was like, oh, okay. So I got 2 different darlinn hairs. I got one on website and I got one physically from the market. The price of darlinn hair actually varies from different places. The one I got physically from the market, I got it for just 5,000 naira. I have other places that I went to that same place and they told me that, okay, it's 7,000. And I was like, okay. This one is without closure. There are 2 different darlinn hair. The silky straight, most in the markets, most of them have that one with closure, but I got this one on the darlinn website because it's currently on the website. This darlinn hair silky straight is the bomb. I don't know how to overemphasize it. The packaging is really nice. It also came with this thank you card. I thought it was really cute. I got the one in 16-inch. The other one that I got, this is MB4. The other one I got that is black, I got that in 20-inch. I'm still going to get a 24-inch because I actually asked them, okay, can darlinn hair be bleached? Like, I just wanted to know because it's like a synthetic hair, but I don't rate this as this is a high quality synthetic hair. And this was the response. They said yes, and I was like, okay, no problem. If you'd like to see me go about bleaching the darlinn hair, just let me know, and yeah, I'm going to do a video on that. It's so affordable. I asked if they had this brown color, but most times in the market they were telling me no. Probably I might bleach it to this color, or I do this burnt orange color. I don't know. I'm not sure what the texture might be like after bleaching. And as for the durability, do they stand the test of time? Even normal hairs that we buy, I'm someone that loves wig more. So if you're someone that you love wearing your wigs more, you know, sometimes the way you even properly maintain your wig is by changing different wigs, because if you're wearing just one wig regularly, it could just get spoiled. But you know, something like darlinn hair, so far you're not going to be wearing it every day, you're not going to be wearing it every time, then I think it's actually would stand the test of time. There'll be that maintenance. I got this one and this darlinn hair. I don't want to just comment, let me not just talk. So I'm going to be wigging my darlinn hair right now. Trust me, I'm going to show you guys how it looked on me. So guys, this is the closure that I want to use with the darlinn hair. I don't know, the colors do not match though, but by the time I brushed them, they kind of blended, so I didn't really even notice because of that human hair feel that what they call it, darlinn hair has already. You guys, the hair wet is super thick, especially if you're the one who does your wig. So if you're going to double it,
try and wig it. It's actually very thick.
And if you're someone who actually does economizing and stuff, I think you can actually use a full pack. You know, one pack is for a full head. You can actually use it for 2 different hairs. It has this human hair feel already. You know, there's a way when we buy our hairs, there's this, especially if you buy the black one,
there's this mix of brownish, little brownish kind of color on the hair. You just know that, okay, like, this is not so super black, so it has that on it already. I don't know if you can see it,
and it's silky.
I got this one is the jet black.
I actually wigged this one very full. This is the closure in front. This is the closure, but this one did not come with closure at all.
You guys, bundles in a way, they give me joy.
This is what I call bundle of joy. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Who wants to know that I got this hair for 5K? Nobody will know, honestly, because it's super nice. Darling hair. Once I already have a very good silky hair and a good brush, I love to brush and brush this hair. Okay, let me initially remove the hair. I brushed this my hair before making this video. Darlinn hair hardly shreds. A busy shed, it doesn't shed at all. Like, you brush and brush.
Darlinn hair, eat a shake, eat a shake, eat a shake, eat a shake, eat a shake.
Okay guys, this is the brush. We have little to nothing. We can't even see it. We just have like 2 strands. This hair is really like a good buy, under 4,000 or so. You know, some of us will say,
Darlinn hair, this and that. I mean, what do you expect from a 5K hair? This hair is just 5K and it's dishing out all this. I mean, most of these hairs that we even used to buy online, that they'll say, this and that, you will buy it, and another thing you'll be seeing. You guys don't understand, like, for that price, and you guys are giving us this. So when I was even like, because I'm a copper, I'm serving, and some people were like, oh my god, I love your hair. And I was like, thank you. And I was like, guess the hair I'm using. Like, I was like, it's a Darlinn hair. They were like, oh my god, it's a lie. Me, I don't know how to form, or like, I was sure I'll tell you like, this is a Darlinn hair, because they didn't really actually believe. Some people were even like, oh my god, I'm really getting this hair. Pancake, can you help me with this hair?
Even someone that, when I was letting my wig, she really like wanted to like get the hair, but she was skeptical. I mean, me, I'm a Darlinn hair ambassador anywhere I'm going, because a hair like this, and you're doing so good for us.
Here we have our bob.
Hi fam. So you guys, I'm done wigging my hair. Guys, like, I fell in love with this Darlinn hair. Like, you don't understand. Yesterday when I wore it, I was so happy, like very happy. I couldn't wait to like just show you guys a video of how it looked on me when I was done. Oh my god. You will understand. I was just checking myself on the mirror. Honestly, this is like the 16-inch, and I really like feel beautiful on it. Darlinn hair is honestly a catch. So guys, this is what actually remained. You know, I told you one pack for a full head or something. I can actually use it to make a closure for myself if I want to. I really like love it. I'm in love with Darlinn hair, honestly. Guys, this is the second one that actually came with closure. It's just black, and it's actually like really nice. The first time I actually used my sister's one to do testing. When I actually got it for and I wigged it, I was like, I beg, let me just wait once now. I said, I beg, let me just wait second time. I beg, let me just, until the owner has to collect it for me. Sorry, that's the dog making sound. She was like, I beg, I should bring her hair for her. And also the Darlinn closure is so full and thick, and I thought of something. I don't know how you can do it, but you can also use it for like you know, this style, this ponytail that they do. You know, this is the way it sleeps and all that. You can actually like just use that frontal and do a style like that. If I'm able to figure out a way to do it, then I'll do it like that.
You guys, don't look at my hair, I beg. This is just a week old, and my hair is usually like that, always getting rough. So I need to still cornrow it. I wish I was able to do the hair before making this video, but I just wanted to like do a video for you guys.
I just want to show you. These are the 2 wigs. This is the one that came with frontal. This is the one that didn't come with No, this is one that came with closure. This is one that didn't come with closure. This is like jet black, deep color, while this one is I think color 4B, and I think I'm actually literally in love with this one because I love their closure though. I love it. I'm still going to get one because of their closure. I just like my own. I can't be doing longer throws for somebody else's hair. So this one is 1 month old, while this is just like a day old now. This is 1 month and it's still very nice. A day old, and it's so silky, smooth and soft, unlike some of these hairs that we'll buy online. The first day, let me not just talk. If you've still been watching with me up to this point, thank you so much. I really appreciate, and I want to say thank you to Darlinn Hair for making us feel beautiful. I mean, if Darlinn Hair can keep up with this standard, you guys, I mean, the hair is super friends who are actually thinking of getting a Darlinn Hair oil, or you would like to prescribe a Darlinn Hair to them, yeah, they could actually watch this video to confirm if they want or not. So tell me, would you love to get a Darlinn Hair or not? Because I will still get a Darlinn Hair. I don't know about you, but I will still get it. Oh my, don't tell Darlinn ambassador. Oh my, don't tell ambassador, like see me advertising for this. So do subscribe, guys, as I have so many entertaining videos for you guys. I mean, lots and lots and lots to come. I have the best set of dentition.